Hello everyone, this is Namrata from SimStar Global School, and in the previous class we have discussed about fracture and dehydration. Now in this video we will discuss about animal bites, insect bites and snake bites. The first aid for animal bites, snake bites and insect bites. See, when an animal bites you or anybody else is near you, we should immediately wash the bitten area with an antiseptic soap and water to wash away the germs. Thereafter, we should apply an antiseptic cream on the wound. See, and take the victim to the doctor immediately. See, after first aid has been provided, we should immediately take patient to the doctor, because we don't know which kind of injury it is and how deep it is. So immediately we should take the patient to the hospital. Thereafter, let's see insect bites. In a case of insect bites, suppose an ant has bitten you. So what we should do? Move to a safe area to avoid more bites, and wash the area with soap and water similar to the animal bites, and apply antiseptic lotion or cream. In this case, we don't need to go to the hospital, because insect bites can be treated at home and it can be healed within 2 days. Snake bites, it is very important. See, if somebody has been bitten by the snake, so what we should do? Make the victim lie still, as any movement causes the poison to spread faster in the blood. Okay, and apply a tight bandage. Here you can see, here it is applying a tight bandage to the victim just above the bite to stop the flow of blood to the heart. Take the victim to the doctor immediately for treatment, because you can't say that how deeply it has been bitten, and the poison is went through the blood to the heart. So immediately we should take the patient to the hospital. Okay, one more important thing, heat stroke, that is caused by if someone is exposed to extreme heat like nowadays for a long time. So the symptoms are high fever, nausea, headache and etc. So in this case, the temperature of the body needs to be reduced by spraying with water, and the person also needs to drink a lot of fluids like water and fruit juice. So take care of yourself. This is extremely hot in nowadays, and take more vitamin C, because this is coronavirus time, and only your immunity can prevent the coronavirus and your safety measures. So be safe and stay home. Thank you.